Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're gonna make some jalapeno poppers. And I think I'm gonna call them cheeseburger jalapeno poppers, I believe. But we're gonna start out with 3/4 of a pound of ground beef. And I'm gonna start browning that. Our meat's almost browned, but I'm gonna go ahead, it's not all the way brown, still a little bit of pink. I'm gonna go ahead and drain this liquid, and then we're gonna add some more stuff. We got most of the grease drained. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of onion that I finely chopped up. This is probably about 1/4 of an onion. Get that all in there. And I'm going to add the Weber Gourmet Burger Seasoning. This is going to be the only seasoning that I add. It's got salt and pepper and a bunch of other good stuff in it. Add about that much. Then we're just going to mix it around, finish browning the meat, get the onions cooked a little bit. That's cooked up. Our onions are a little bit translucent. Meat's finished cooking. So now we're going to add in some good old Velveeta cheese. This right here is 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. I'm going to dump that all in. I may add a little bit more. I don't know yet. I'm going to just stir this in till it melts, and then we'll see what it looks like. This might be enough. Alright, got the cheese melted, all blended through, and right there is what I'm looking for, just a nice thick mixture. Now I'm going to probably put this in a container. I'm going to let it cool down because I want it cool when I put it in the peppers. So I'm going to let it cool down, then we'll get started on the poppers. Alright, now let's assemble these. I let our mixture cool down, and I cut the peppers in half, as you can see. Just like that, and I got rid of the seeds and the stuff inside of it. Some of the seeds are still in there. I wasn't really worried about getting rid of all of them. I'm going to take a little bit of our mixture, stick in there just like that. I want to get it pretty level with it. Take the other side, put that nice mixture in it just like that. Then I'm going to take the 2 halves and put them together. Press them down like that, just like that. Might clean the edge up here. All our poppers are stuffed, looking mighty fine, I tell you. And we're going to wrap 1 piece of bacon around each popper. This is thin sliced bacon. Just get it all wrapped around there real good. Just like that. Sit it down over here. I'll get all them done. Got all our poppers wrapped. Get these on the old Weber. We're cooking indirect, and I'm going to cook these at about 350 degrees. You could also do these in the oven. Just do them about 350, 375 until the bacon gets crisp. Get all these on there. Them all on there. Let's get the lid on. We'll come back and check them here in probably about 20-30 minutes. Been about, I don't know, 40 minutes or so, and these right here are done. They're looking mighty fine. We're going to pull them off. We're going to let them cool down for a little while, then we'll try them out. See that right there? Looking mighty fine. I've had them resting for a little while. Let's try them out. Them are pretty dang awesome right there. Stem fell off that one. There's the one I ate. Alright guys. Cheers, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.